Okay, so what I find hilarious about this whole process is not even the fan is working. Like the fan isn't working, and like it's like spewing out all types of shit. Like it's fucking hilarious. Okay, so it's at 99%, and I know it's about to end probably. It's gonna be epic. Oh, 100%. Here it comes. Here it comes. It's going to be epic. I'm so glad I captured this. Oh my God, this is going to be great. Because, like I said, the fan isn't working. This is my first attempt at 3D printing. And so, like, the thing, like, goes up. It's very dramatic. And then it, like, opens up. Here it comes. I did it. Look at this. This is what it made. I made this. And then it was sound effects, 100%. It's done. 6 hours and it made this. In the realness, we're going to take a look and see where I went wrong.